Polky here, Eagle Eye Machinery in Finley. I'm standing here in the workshop. Rod's down there. We're just getting to work on this brand new 1552 Uni Tube conveyor. Hoping I've already got someone coming to look at this tomorrow, so we're trying to get it up and ready so we can come and check it out. We import these machines from the States. They all get built here in our shop with our dedicated team, which is good because we can build them to suit. We can build to suit what you want. This can be a self-propelled model. This one is actually going to go out as a hydraulic top drive. Very simple, very efficient. It could also be an electric top drive if that's what you needed. We import them here to Finley, we build them and we ship them out to an ever-expanding list of dealers that we've got all over the country. We've got dealers now in Forbes and Griffith and a couple in South Australia and in southeast Queensland as well, and we're looking for more all the time. So while we've got all the parts here in our shed, all of our dealers have parts stocked for if you need to replace a belt or if you just need that little bit of service. Wherever you are, we won't be too far away. So if you are looking for a tube for this season's harvest, give me a call on 0429 694 798 or check us out on the website www.eagleeye.com.au and let us know what you want and we can build your very own tube in a matter of days.